Students, today we are going to take the more information about revenue. In perfectly competitive market, a firm believes that it can sell the many units of the goods as it wants by setting a price less than or equal to the market price. But if this is the case, surely there is no reason to set the price lower than the market price. Means the farmer desired to sell some amount of the good, the price that it sets the exactly equal to the market price. Then what is a revenue? Revenue means it refers to the total sales proceeds or the total receipts of a firm from the sale of its output. Revenue means it is the income which is generated from the business. Means a firm earns its revenue or its income how? By selling the good that it produces in the market. There are the three concepts of the revenue. First one total revenue, second one average revenue, and third one marginal revenue. First one total revenue. Total revenue means it is the total amount which is received by the seller, means firm. How? From the sale of the given amount of the product. Means suppose market price of unit of good is P and Q is the quantity of goods and which is sold by firm at the price P. Then total revenue of the firm is defined market price of good means P multiplied by firm's output means Q. So we can obtain the total revenue by the price into Q means the quantity sold. We can explain it with the help of an numerical example. See here, there are the two columns are here. First column shows the boxes sold and second column shows the total revenue in rupees. Here the market for candles be a perfectly competitive market, means here we consider the market for candles be a perfectly competitive market, and market price of box of the candles, each box of the candles is rupees 10 for a manufacturer. See here, when no box is sold, total revenue equal to 0. See here, when no box is sold, total revenue is 0. If one box of candle is sold, then total revenue is 10. Means 1 into 10 means quantity sold and price of commodity means 1 into 10 is equal to 10. If the fifth box of candle is sold, then total revenue is 50, means P into Q is equal to TR means total revenue. Here if we observe, we will come to know the total revenue changes as quantity sold. See here, the total revenue changes as quantity sold. So we will describe how the total revenue changes as quantity sold changes through the diagram. See here, in this diagram, on the OX axis we represents the output and on the OY axis we represents the revenue earned by the firm. Here TR is the total revenue curve. Here the three observations are relevant here. First observation is when output is 0, the total revenue of firm is also 0. Therefore, the curve passes through the point O. See here, when the output is 0, the total revenue of firm is also 0. So, the total revenue curve passes through the point O. Then second observation is when the total revenue increases as output goes up. So the equation total revenue is equal to price into quantity sold is that of a straight line, because here we consider P is constant. See here, the total revenue increases as output goes up. Here the equation total revenue is equal to P into Q is a straight line. Why? Because here the price of commodity is a constant. This means the total revenue curve is upward rising at straight line. Then third observation, consider the slope of the straight line. When output is 1 unit is a horizontal distance, means OQ1. See here, the output of 1 unit is the horizontal distance, that is the OQ1, and the total revenue is a vertical line or vertical height, that is the AQ1. Then it is the P into quantity, means it is the price. Therefore, the slope of the straight line is AQ1 divided by OQ1 is equal to P. So students, this is all about the total revenue. Thank you.